Here it is, video 3 of my Summit at Orchard Hills series, and I am standing in front of the Vista models by Brookfield Residential. This is where the price point steps up significantly from Crestview, and honestly, so does everything else with it. Let me give you a quick on-location overview, and then when I get back to the office, I'm going to break down all the details for you. Vista has 3 floor plan designs, the Brisa, the Aliento, and the Solana. And you are looking at homes ranging from 3,500 square feet all the way up to just under 5,000 square feet. 4 to 7 bedrooms, 4.5 to 7.5 bathrooms. And these are genuinely large estate style homes. Pricing on available homes right now starts at $4,700,000 and goes up from there. So this is a meaningful step up from Crestview's entry point of just under $3 million. And when you walk inside, you instantly understand why. I also particularly like the architectural styles that they did here. They have the Santa Barbara, the Italian, and the formal Spanish. Every elevation on the street looks considered and distinct. This is not a cookie cutter streetscape. So what I want to say standing here is that the Vista is for the buyer who does not want to compromise on anything. The lot sizes are generous, the ceiling heights are dramatic, the standard inclusions read like a luxury upgrade list at most builders. And I'm going to go through all of that in more detail back at the office. But for now, just remember, if you want me to represent you here, the same rule applies as every builder at Summit, which is you need to bring me with you on your very first visit. The builder will pay my commission, it costs you nothing, but I have to be registered as your agent from day one, so please do reach out before you come. There's a link in my description to book a call with me, and please subscribe to my video channel so that you can not miss the full breakdown coming very soon. All right, so let me get back into the details here because there is a lot to cover, and the spec sheet on Vista is genuinely impressive. All the pricing is current as of April 18th, 2026, and if you want the most up-to-date figures on anything that I cover in today's video, just reach out to me directly and I will get you everything that you need. Let me start with this, the lot sizes. The lot sizes are one of the first things that you will notice at Vista. The lot sizes go up to nearly 8,000 square feet, which is a genuinely larger feeling lot, and when you're spending this kind of money, you want to feel the land around you, and at Vista you definitely feel it. The Casitas are what stood out to me immediately at this project. There are several floor plans include a detached or semi-detached casita, which is a fully separate living space, great for teenagers who want their own space, maybe your in-laws, long-term guests come visit you, or even a home office that's kind of removed from the main house. This kind of floor plan and flexibility is a really great thing to have. Now, the primary suite is also something that impressed me because the primary closets, for example, have glass front cabinet doors and dedicated jewelry cases built right in. This is not like a builder grade closet. This was like a boutique retail experience in your own home. Genuinely impressed. The laundry room even was impressive. They had a mini dry cleaning system in there. Some of the floor plans had a sauna and a dedicated home gym. It's just genuinely a luxury home. And then there's the primary bathroom. It had a little kitchenette. It was fully appointed mini kitchen right off your primary suite, because whether you want champagne on a Friday night or you want coffee before a regular work day, you should not have to leave your wing of the house to go and get it. So it's this kind of detail that once you have it, you cannot imagine living without it. It was really spectacular. The main kitchen is a Wolf appliance package. It had a 48-inch gas range. It had 6 burners, an infrared griddle. There's a built-in hood, a built-in microwave, and of course, a dishwasher. That all comes standard. These are not upgrades, but again, just comes with the package. 12-foot ceilings on the first floor, 10-foot ceilings on the second floor, and every home does include a Tesla Powerwall solar system. Really nice to have, and of course, they have EV charging in the garage for you too. You'll get all the smart home benefits too, so you're going to have 3 thermostats, dual zone control system, and of course, it all connects with either Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit, whichever you personally like to use. The design studio is something definitely worth understanding because Brookfield gives you a one-on-one access to a professional designer to help you personalize your home, from choosing your flooring, your countertops, your cabinets, all of these things. And the sold homes on the pricing sheet had design studio credits ranging from $120,000 to $250,000. So you can really personalize the homes if you 3 homes currently available are all on Sahara Street. They're all ranging in the 4.5-ish to 4.7-ish range. If you want current availability or you want to know what else may be coming on the market soon, reach out to me and I will get you all the latest. Same rules apply here as every builder in the summit. If you want me to represent you at Vista, you need to bring me with you on your very first visit to the sales gallery. The builder does pay my fee, so it costs you nothing to have me represent you, but I do need to be registered as your agent from day one. That way, if you need anything, I'll be there to represent you. The sales team is fantastic, but they do represent the builder, so you are recommended to have your own representation too. So whether you are comparing Vista to Crestview or even just another resale home in Irvine or here in Orange County, I'm happy to have a conversation and help you with your home buying journey. And if you have a home to sell, I can run a home equity report so you know exactly what you are working with in terms of your proceeds from that sale. This is video 3 of my Summit series. Video 2 covering Toll Brothers collection, which is the Pinnacle and Skyline, is coming next. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss it. And there's a link in the description to book a free call with me anytime. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.